The Judas swing, one of the most deceptive yet powerful price moves in trading. I'm Wendell from Spektrades, and today I'll break down how to spot and trade the Judas swing to avoid traps and ride the real trend. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So what is the Judas swing? The Judas swing refers to a manipulative price move designed to trap retail traders. It occurs during the London session, typically in the first 1 to 2 hours. The purpose of the Judas swing is to create a false sense of direction, enticing traders to take positions against the real trend. It allows smart money to accumulate positions at better prices. As you guys can see right here, price was once in this downtrend right here, but price left us this old low right here. Then we can see that price during the London session push down lower and give us a liquidity sweep, not a firm body breakup structure, but a liquidity sweep of this old low before rallying back higher. This right here is what we call our Judas swing. The key characteristics is that it happens in high liquidity times, mainly during London session open. A sharp move in one direction and then quickly reverse. Often targets liquidity zones like highs, lows, or fair value gaps. Why does it matter? It matters because recognizing the Judas swing can save you from falling into the traps. It can also set you up for high probability trades by identifying the true direction after the swing. Just like I stated right here, this is our Judas swing. After this clean liquidity sweep of prior old lows, it will be then followed by a sharp move in one direction, quickly reverse. As you can see right here, price push down lower, give us this clean liquidity sweep, and then the next candlestick, boom. This happens during the high volatile times, during around London session opens. That's when we can expect our Judas swing. Now let's go over the anatomy of the Judas swing, a step-by-step breakdown. So for our pre-market setup, something that we do is to identify smart money key zones, such as liquidity zones above and below old highs. As you guys can see right here in this old range right here, this is our Asian session range. We can that liquidity is hiding above this old range and below this old range right here. Then we can see that price rallies higher. This is what we call our Judas swing right here. The swing is our manipulation move. During the London open, price quickly moved toward one of the liquidity zones. This triggers stop losses and traps breakout traders. As you guys can see, price violently rallies higher to clear the above liquidity, this old zone right here, to then push down lower and give us a clean displacement. This right here is what we call a Judas swing. This traps traders into thinking that price is wanting to go long. So on this pullback, a lot of traders, they are positioning themselves to then pull back higher to rally to clear old highs. But we can see that liquidity was hiding above and below this old zone. So after this uptrend liquidity was taken, price violently pushed down lower to clear this below liquidity. And as you can see right here on the reversal, this is when the real trend occurs. After price collected liquidity, price reverses sharply in the opposite direction. This begins the true market trend for the session. Also, we have to keep in mind that timing matters. This typically occurs between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. EST during the London session. And we mainly observe this on the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes charts if you are a day trader. Then as you can see right here, after price clearly gave us this displacement of this old low, price left us this fair value gap. And on that pullback, right, on that pullback, that's what we're looking for price. This is where we're looking to trade. We're not looking to take no trades inside of this accumulation or on this Judas swing right here, because you don't know, price may still start buying. It's not until price violently push down lower and give us this clean displacement of old lows, price take liquidity of this old high and this old low. That's when we position ourselves inside of this range right here. I marked in red. We see this fair value gap. We can just place our trade and then our stop loss at old highs, and we're targeting opposing sides of liquidity. As you can see, price was once in this uptrend, but then after price gave us this Judas swing to then push down lower and us placing our trades, price pushed down lower to come and clear the old lows right here. This right here is a clean example of a Judas swing. Now let's get into trading the Judas swing. This is how we trade it successfully. This right here is the step-by-step process that we go through in trading our Judas swing. So the first step is to identify our liquidity zones. We mark obvious highs or lows from the previous day, or we look for fair value gaps and imbalances. As we can see right here, this is our previous range right here. Price left this Asian session liquidity range. Building right here, this is what we call a consolidation zone, where price is tightly packed inside of a range, building liquidity above the range and below. Then we can see that price quickly during the London session firmly push up higher to clear liquidity above this Asian session liquidity, to then push down lower and giving us a clean market structure shift right here. That's step 2. this false move. You have to wait for this false move to happen. During the London session, price will give us this, what we call a Judas swing. It's going to give us a sharp move toward the liquidity. As you can see, price rallied higher to come and clear the uptrend liquidity to then sharply reverse, just like I stated right here, to sharply reverse to clear the downtrend liquidity. Then we enter during the real trend. So on this retracement right here, you can see that price pushed down lower, but it started giving us this retracement. Why? It was mitigating this fair value gap. We can see that price on this retracement mitigated this fair value gap to then push down lower to clear this old range low right here. So this whole trend started from this old low and it ended at this old low right here. So just like I stated, we enter on a retracement after reversals. In our confirmations, we use rejection candlesticks, imbalance fills, or order block retest. Right here, we use this fair value gap as an imbalance. So for our risk management, the stop loss is just outside the manipulation zone. So you can place your stop loss right above this old high right here and you will be safe. In our take profit is targeting opposing liquidity zones or major highs or lows. And a bonus tip is to combine the Judas swing with other ICT concepts such as the Burka block or imbalance zones for added precision. I just made a video on the Burka block. Make sure you guys check out that last video on the Burka block. You can pair the Judas swing and the Burka block together and create a powerful model. Now let's hop on the charts and go over a live example of the Judas swing. So as you can see right here, price building this range right here from this old low to this old high right here. We can see that price took liquidity from this old low to then rally higher and give us this old range high. In between this range right here, this old low and this old high, price was just building internal range liquidity. This is what we call internal range liquidity, and these old highs right here in this old low is external range liquidity. So as we can see right here, once price was building liquidity inside of this range, what I want to see is for price to either rally higher to give me a liquidity sweep of this old high to then push down lower like this. So I want to see price either go higher and give me a liquidity sweep and then push down lower to come and clear this old low, or I want to see price push down lower to give me a liquidity sweep of this old low to then rally back higher. That's one of the things I want to see. Now let's play price and see exactly what did price give us. So as we can see, price rallied higher and gave me a liquidity sweep of this old high right here. Now I can start positioning myself to go short. I want to see price come and clear this old low and this old low and this old low. But just like I stated to you guys, I want to see price give me a clean displacement first, a clean breakup structure of old lows before I start positioning myself. Now let's see if we get this clean displacement. And boom, as you guys can see right here, price sharply rallied higher and then quickly, just like I stated, reversed lower to give me this clean displacement of old lows right here. Now I can position myself to catch my perfect trade. Now I can grab my Gann box, and what I want to see price pull back inside of a premium zone. I want to see price pull back right here inside of a premium zone, boom, marked in light gray, to then push down lower to come and clear this old low. Now as you can see, we have this old lower time frame zone right here aligned with a fair value gap right below it, or we can grab this whole range right here. As you can see, with this old fair value gap, place my trade right here in my stop loss right at old highs, and I'm targeting old lows. Now let's play price and see exactly how this trade played out. And boom, once you understand your range, you had marked out your range and you waited patiently for our Judas swing to happen right here. This is what we call the Judas swing, where price rallies higher and manipulate early buyers. As you guys can see, price had pushed down lower to mitigate this right here to then start giving us consistent breakup structures of old highs. This right here is to manipulate early buyers. As you guys can see, price, a lot of people were hoping for price to pull back and then to keep continuing this rally. But what did price give? After price give us this liquidity sweep, price sharply pushed down lower and give us our displacement. Once we got this displacement right here, all we have to do is just position ourselves inside of a premium zone, and on that pullback we can place our trade stop loss at old highs, and we're targeting opposing side of liquidity. The Judas swing is a powerful concept, and once you understand it and you align it with other concepts, you will truly become a powerful trader. If you're also interested in a free trading course and a free trading community, check the first link in the description and join the Spark Trading community and get full access. Well, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. This is it. Spektrades out.